Okay, Steve, as you know, a valley can be complicated on any house. This one a little more so. We had to adjust the corner. The valley does not run square to both eaves. I'm going to kind of walk you through this, show you the easiest way to do a valley on a Millennium tile job. I'll start by nailing it down. I have it all prepped here. You want to make sure it's good and straight to where you're going to come out to. Okay, now we're ready to cut our first shingle. You want to get it into place, make sure it's square to the eave, plumb. Speed square is required. Go ahead, you make your valley line. Now you're going to want to leave approximately an inch to make 2 valley folds to hook this valley. Say something, Steve. Bring that up a little bit. Okay, on this you're going to make 1 bend. Drop your tongs down about a 1/2 inch and make a 2nd bend to hook the valley. Want to make sure and check your shingle, make sure it's uniform. You can stapler on down. Okay, Steve, we're ready to come out of the valley on the opposite side now. You can see I placed all the nails in the nail flange. You never want to nail inside the flange. It could cause problems further down the road. You can basically start the shingle wherever you'd like. I like to start with a full one. You just take and you select the opposite side, you mark it. Go ahead and cut and bend it into place. To locate your second shingle, you're going to want to hook the shingle, pull over 7 1/4. You always pull from the water trough in That will give you the location for your next shingle on a half pattern. Okay, you get your second valley shingle in, put 1 nail in it, then bring some shingles up to make sure you're staying square. We're slightly out of square, you can tell by the groove up top, so we're going to adjust it a little bit. Once again, you're going to go 7 1/4. Start the process over.